Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing your data, back up to Time Machine or an external drive and verify the backup. Next, sign out of iCloud and iMessage and disable Find My Mac so activation lock won't block setup. Once done, shut down your MacBook Pro and boot into recovery. Hold Command+R for local recovery or Option+Command+R for internet recovery. This gets you to Mac OS utilities, so you can erase and reinstall with minimal fuss. You'll now erase the drive and reinstall the system. Open Disk Utility, select your internal SSD, click Erase, and choose apps for modern Mac OS or Mac OS Extended for older versions. Label the disk Macintosh HD. After erasing, quit Disk Utility and choose Reinstall Mac OS. Make sure you're on a stable Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection. The installer downloads the correct version. Follow the prompts patiently and let the process finish. Do not close the lid or interrupt power, because interruptions risk a failed install. You complete the process by going through the Setup Assistant. Either restore from your Time Machine backup or set the Mac up as new if you want a fresh start. Make sure you sign into your Apple ID so apps and purchases sync, and re-enable Find My Mac only after setup is finalized. If something goes wrong, like an activation lock, installer error, or stalled download, try Internet Recovery, reset NVRAM and SMC, or use another known good network or bootable installer to recover the machine.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.